That's right, Kent. Gas prices are high and it's freezing outside. It's a good week to stay home. A big Arctic high-pressure system continues to hold the door open to Canada. Bitterly cold air continues to funnel into the Cornhusker State tonight into Thursday. While the strongest of the winds gusts will subside a bit this evening, it will remain blustery, driving wind chills or feels like temperatures in the minus 25 to minus 35 degree range statewide. Right now it is an actual temperature of -1 in North Platte, 1's all around us, a little warmer, 3 degrees down in McCook. But wind chills and wind chill advisories in effect for the entire state through Wednesday at noon. Frostbite and hypothermia will certainly be big threats to exposed skin, so take the time to dress appropriately. We take a look at the warnings and advisories and the conditions a little later in the show and how much to expect. We see the winds right now 13 miles an hour northerly, and it is cold, so we'll have more of that coming up a little later in the show. Kent.
Thanks, Mel.
Good evening, everyone. Another very cold today for us in Nebraska as the Arctic cold continues. Thanks to very strong northwest winds, 20 to 30 miles per hour and gusts up to 40 miles per hour with wind chill values. In the morning as cold as -15 to -35 degrees. Actual temperatures only warming up a little today. It is -1 degrees in North Platte right now, but it feels like -19 with north winds at 13 miles per hour. There are no wind gusts. That dew point sits at -12 degrees. Our high temperatures for today reaching up to a high of 12 degrees in North Platte, 12 all across the area, a little warmer in McCook at 16, much colder on the Panhandle and to points north and northeast. But that is not what it felt like. It felt in the negative temperatures all across the region. Our temperatures right now looking very similar across the state, all across the east, zeros, -degrees, -1 in North Platte right now, -14 up in Chadron. The wind speed and direction, there are no gusts in North Platte right now, but the wind is still holding steady at 13 miles per hour. Bringing in that cold air on the backside of a cold front. Winds quite strong, 20 to 30 miles per hour with those gusts earlier today. No gusts right now, but the wind chills remain a real concern from 0 degrees as cold to 20 below in the north. Now our snow is pushing to the northeast and some partial clearing of skies throughout the day. It feels like temperatures right now -19 degrees in North Platte, negative up in Thedford, and a handful of negative teens all through the rest of the state. Our weather alerts right now, we do know that there are wind chill warnings to the north of us and to the south of us in Ogallala and the North Platte area actually, and then a strip through the center of the state with wind advisories. Now with those are lasting until noon on Wednesday and possibly into Thursday. It doesn't take very long to get caught out in that weather and have hypothermia and other issues set in if you do not dress appropriately. So be aware of those weather alerts. Right now the sky is pretty clear across the state and we have similar conditions all across the Midwest. So our high pressures to the south, cold air coming in from the north, and we're going to take a look a little bit later at our significant and insignificant snowfalls. The snow not really being the story for this particular weather system. Skycast by 8 a.m. into 4 p.m. It's going to clear out, be a little bit cloudy and spotty throughout the day. Some moisture expected to come through our area around Thursday morning, clearing out by Thursday afternoon. Here's our cold pressure or cold air coming in from the north, as you can see, dropping and sucking into that low pressure system. Now any sunshine we do see won't help us warm up. It will continue to be bitterly cold. Those wind chill advisories are what we're really worried about as this wind and this air continues to come from the north. By Friday we will expect it to warm up a little bit, but before then, through Thursday night, we do expect slight bits of snowfall in the area. In the North Platte area and all down through the west and southwest, we expect 3 to 6 inches of snow between now and Thursday night. High up in the northern and northeast sections of the state, 1 to 3 inches of snow. Now the winds will continue and some of that will cause some visibility issues and also slick roads, possibly that little bit of snow we do see sticking to the roads. Our forecast lows for Wednesday are -9 degrees, and then our forecast highs for Thursday in the teens again, also still feeling like those -10 to 20 degree temperatures all until Thursday. Here's our extended forecast. It's going to warm up by the weekend. We don't expect to see any moisture over the weekend, and the sun will shine, although it won't warm up a lot, Kent.
All right, at weather where it's not looking so great for us for tomorrow.
Well, no goats in my forecast, but that was a cute story. I guess if you needed a way to spend a cold day, that was the way to do it. It's a -1 right now, and it's going to reach -3. That's actual temperature by 4 a.m. as you plan your evening. We are looking to get 1 to 3 inches of snow in the North Platte area. Actually 3 to 6, in the North Platte area points north, 1 to 3 inches over the next few hours up to Thursday. So as we go into our day tomorrow, we're looking at 50% chances of moisture falling. Again, that 3 to 6 inch chance. Now Thursday, 16, so a little bit warmer. Friday, it will be a balmy 32 degrees, which is going to feel really nice after these -20s that we've been feeling. Then sunny on the weekend, not getting much warmer, but as we go into March, we're looking at maybe getting back into the 50s at least, Ken.
Yeah, we're not going to know what to do with ourselves when we hit the 30s and 40s. That is going to seem like a heat wave, like
out
you said.
sunbathing.
Yeah, there you go. All right, thanks, Melanie. And we want to thank you for watching News 2 at 10. Have a great evening, everyone.